How to connect your DJI drone to LightCut via Wi-Fi. First of all, make sure your DJI drone is powered on and its Wi-Fi connection is enabled. Open the LightCut app on your device. On the home page, tap the devices option in the top bar. The app will search for available DJI drones nearby. Once your drone appears in the list, select it to establish a connection. LightCut may ask for permissions to access your drone's storage or media. Make sure to allow them so you can import clips seamlessly. After the connection is successful, browse your drone's recorded videos and select the clips you want to add to your project. Your footage will appear in the timeline, ready for editing with all of LightCut's features including trimming, filters, AI-powered edits, and more. Now you know how to connect your DJI drone to LightCut via Wi-Fi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.